Hello, I'm Sunny. The word of the day is 大. In this video, I will teach you how to pronounce it, how to write it, and how to use it. First, let's read together. 我们一起读大的啊大。Pay attention, it's the first tone, so you need to do from high to low. 大 very good. Now let's write together. 我们一起写横撇捺大。大 means big or large. So we can say this apple is very big. 这个苹果很大。And you see here have two monsters. The green one is big. 绿色的怪兽很大。Yes. So can you tell me what animal is the biggest one in the world? 你可以告诉我世界上最大的动物是什么吗？ Comment below and tell me. 在下方评论区告诉我。That's all. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.